What up? Let me just link to this in Discord. It's not worth tweeting about. You guys know the Discord. Let's go right here. Give a little bit of time for some people to get in here. I got two things to show you today. It's going to be a quick live stream. What's up, Waxor? Hello, Logan LeGrand. Welcome, everybody. I'm going to close the doors of my office. I'm going to take off my Auger hoodie. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, we have one question to ask today, and that's, are FCA people better than Subaru people? So, wait, why is this not here? Let's see, is it live? Oh, yes, it is. Ho ho, FCA car harness. If you right now go to our shop, you can buy one of these guys. This is a harness. It supports, we're going to go through all the cars that it supports. It supports the Chrysler Pacifica. Let me just go over here. It supports the Chrysler Pacifica. It supports the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. All of these are supported by, things like this. This is the Bosch one. Sorry, the Nidec one. And then where's the Jeep at? Yeah, it also supports the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So you can buy an FCA harness, put this in your Chrysler Pacifica, and be just like Waymo. You can be just like Waymo. It's not more carports. What we're doing is we're consolidating. Everything at Comma is about stability, is about ease of use, is about making this stuff consumer friendly. That's the word, consumer friendly. That's right. So it's very easy for you to install this. Fits completely behind the trim. This is the first harness we've had to do. Can you buy a car with Eon on it? No, we don't sell cars. This is the first harness we've had to do a little bit differently. So you see these ones are just straight up wire harnesses. Unfortunately, the female FCA connector. And actually we should make sure, let's make sure just the harness connector. Yes, harness connector. Perfect. You can buy FCA harness connectors too for only $50, which is really an insane deal because it includes two parts. It includes both this wiring harness part and this little adapter board, which goes from this, 12-pin Molex to this FCA female. And you see the FCA female fits into the FCA male beautifully. Can you buy a car and put Eon in it, then sell me? No. This isn't for you, man. This isn't for you. This is a chill live stream. We're not even going to tweet about it. No tweet about the live stream. It's chill, just for the Discord bros. We got something else to show you too. But we're only going to show it to you if at least one person buys the FCA harness. We need one person. Well, you know what? We're gonna add everyone. Maybe we'll just do it in the announcements channel. FCA harness is live. You want to try OpenPilot? Is there any help? No, there's not any help. There's no help. No, there's help. You can come on Discord, but if you're not technical, it's not for you. I mean, you can try, right? But OpenPilot is give and take, right? OpenPilot's not just like, if you think you're gonna buy it like an Apple Watch and just install it, no. But if you're willing to put the time in, you get something before everybody else in the world, like this beautiful FCA harness. So we just need to, we'll wait for a few people to get in here. We need to sell one of these. It's gonna get easier. It's always gonna get easier, but if you're asking those kind of questions, those are the wrong kind of questions. There's always help. Hop on Discord. FCA harness is live. We're at the kebab shop. No, we're not at the kebab shop. It is right around the corner, though. It makes great kebabs. FCA harness. There isn't really that much more to say about it. We also fire tweet today. Exactly. Yeah, somebody sell them an overpriced car. That sounds like the right solution here. 41 people. Come one, come all to this absolutely chill, don't tweet about it stream where we launched the FCA harness and we figure out once and for all if FCA people are better than Subaru people. All right. Maybe when we get to 50 people, I'll show you guys the cool thing. So let's talk about upcoming features. So no new features ever. That's right. All features are canceled. That's a lie. We launched the FCA harness, the Hyundai harness coming soon. And if you want to get one of these FCA harnesses, you got 3 days. You got 3 days to come down to our virtual store at shop.comma.ai and buy it. If you want to get it fulfilled before the holiday break, give your loved one hours of entertainment. Buy them at Eon. What this does is it allows you to plug in your Chrysler Pacifica or your Jeep Compass. I think we also support one more car. Let's go over here to OpenPilot. Soon TM like maps. Yeah, no, maps are never going to happen. Maps are a lie. You see, we've updated the README. We've included limitations. Be sure to read these very carefully, like you read your car owner manual. And we pushed some cars into community maintained cars and features. But fortunately, the Chryslers are right here in officially supported cars. The Jeeps are right here in officially supported cars. And I think there's actually a lot more to get. What, you mean red lights and stop signs like this? Like, whoa, is that OpenPilot running on a PC? Look at that model detecting that lane. Look at that. Oh, yeah, we support Kia. Kias are just Hyundais. Yeah. OpenPilot in simulation. You want to talk about features? Look at that. This is just a computer. That's Manager running entirely on a computer. We'll fix the slow frame thing. This is real. This is very real. This is Carla. So, yeah. Yeah, we're going to make OpenPilot run in, well, it's an internal fork for now, but we're going to make OpenPilot run in simulation. This is a big push for next year. So everybody can develop with OpenPilot, not just people who have the supported cars. We got some absolutely crazy announcements lined up for 2020. FCA harnesses are just the start. Do you need a GPU? This is running the CPU right now. No, it kind of runs on the CPU. We got some great research from the research team. Let's see if we sell any FCA harnesses. You know, the amount of leaks that I want to give has a lot to do with how much FCA harnesses we sell. And so far, there's been 0 FCA harnesses sold. So we got, I'll show you, I can show you this. I never want to show you user stuff, but that's what's happening with our store today. So, you know, we got to get this number. We got to get this number up. We got to go way up. Yo, OpenPilot. Unfortunately, we can't move yet. Oh, if you already have the hub, if you've already bought the harness, you can go right in here and you can just buy the harness connector. We sell them for $50. Subaru is right now equivalent to FCA. Nobody bought any Subaru harnesses either. I think we've sold 6 of them so far. But I believe in you FCA people. Come by FCA. Yeah, look, it's OpenPilot simulation. All right. You're no, this is the wrong kind of questions to ask. I don't know if it's legal. I'm not a lawyer, man. You gotta ask your friendly neighborhood lawyer about that. FCA harness, buy it right now, $50. If you want the Black Panda, which you definitely do want the Black Panda. Yeah, simulated car, that's what I'm talking about. Can I drive the simulated car? I'm not sure. I don't think I wrote any of that. Maybe we can do a coding live stream later where we write some of that code. But, whoa. Oh, no, I thought we got an order. I got excited. About the forbidden topic. If it's demonstratively safe and there's a lot of forbidden topics. I'll let you mention one word of it. Which forbidden topic? If it's torque interceptors, no. Oh no, no. Okay, look. Torque interceptors. Look. There's less safe things in the world than torque interceptors. If you truly have built a torque interceptor that is ASIL-D and applies the limits and meets all automotive standards, I think you can build a safe torque interceptor. But I think that the bar to do it is really beyond a hobbyist project. So if you guys are like a company and you're building torque interceptors and like, you put a lot of resources into Q&A, into testing, then I do think torque interceptors are possible. But I think that an open source torque interceptor, like the way the pedal is open source, is extremely dangerous. Because the worst case, look, if your pedal freaks out, the worst thing that happens is your car, you get uncontrollable acceleration, you go into neutral, step on the brake, you're fine. Uncontrollable steering torque, that's ASIL-D. Yeah, you gotta, comments for people who are gonna search and find. Come on, FCA people, can we sell one of these things? You guys make me never want to introduce new harnesses. You guys make me realize that the only car anybody cares about is Hondas and Toyotas. You think some of it can be deconstructed to be given the control method? How? And what do you mean by deconstructed? Like if you're straight up intercepting the torque sensor on power steering, I don't see how that's not D, because a malfunction in your thing can cause beautiful. All right, we got 4 visitors right now in the store. Let's see the live view. Are any of you guys buying an FCA harness? I just want to conclude this video with the conclusion that FCA people are better than Subaru people. And we can leave it there. Oh. We got a person there. Where are these other visitors? Since it's harder to control the motor, it's less likely for a catastrophic failure. You know what? How about this? Before you post a safety analysis, post like an ISO 26262 safety analysis of a torque interceptor, and we're happy to comment on it. This isn't about remote control. Why is remote control is absolutely banned. What could you possibly be doing good with remote control? At least the torque interceptor, like torque interceptors have positive value too, right? Yeah, flexing, exactly. Thumbs down, right? Oh, we gave up safety so we could flex. Thumbs down. Everyone wants to be Doc Brown, right? 6 visitors right now. Come on, somebody buy one. Oh, you want to buy one. They're beautiful. They're FCA harnesses. They're only $50, $3.99 when coupled with a brand new Black Panda that has integrated GPS. I don't have one on my desk. All I have is on my desk is an Eon. Oh, we got a sale, you boy! What did we just sell? Was that an FCA harness? I'm gonna check. Oh yeah. If you announce your name on the stream, I will confirm that it was you who purchased an FCA harness. Thank you. We have absolutely proven that FCA people are better than Subaru people. Thank you for buying. You guys give me hope. You guys give me hope of launching harnesses. Now spill. Okay. You want a leak? We'll show you a leak. This is the research team's leak. But let me see if I can find it. Okay. What? No. What's Uno? I don't know anything about Uno. No, we don't have any Unos. But we do have this. Joint model. Oh yeah, so this, see these? End-to-end longitudinal. You see this? Integrated pose net. Yeah, and you see how the curves are beautifully sloping down? The models, the deep is learning. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Yeah. The other leak, which I'm sure many of you guys have already found, is it's not so hard to enable automatic lane changes. But we haven't officially shipped automatic lane changes. It's not shipped. And do remember that the automatic lane change does not check the blind spot, so that is always your job. Yeah, it's good enough. The problem with red lights and stop signs is not the camera. Red lights and stop signs are hard for a whole different set of reasons. But this stuff, man, end-to-end longitudinal control. That's one of the things I'm really excited for in 2020. In addition, you guys have seen, hopefully in 07, VOACC, I think well, it's not that it's no radar, right? So in 062, we switched, I know, 2020 is near, that's right. In 062, we switched from the radar being the primary sensor to vision being the primary sensor. You tried to take the lane change into a curb and it was ready to go. It'll tell you, yeah, if you turn the blinker on, it'll still tell you. It shouldn't actually make the lane change, but again, that feature is not officially shipped. We did leave the skeleton in there for it, so you guys can mess around and start experimenting with it. What was the biggest harness purchase? We've sold a lot. I think Taiwan. There's a bunch of people in Taiwan who really buy a lot of these things in big quantities. Can we get another FCA harness, or am I being too greedy? It's really a beautiful harness. It comes with these tiny boards. Reading the speed limit signs. Again, these sound like community features. Community features. You guys can write that stuff. We've open sourced, like all of OpenPilot is open source now. It should be relatively easy for you guys to add something else that runs the model. Bro, shop is slow. Take a look. You're this close to getting banned. I don't know what to tell you, man. You use dial-up? Does it make a noise when you connect to the internet? Well, maybe that's why it's slow. What else we got? When is OpenPilot for PC going to be released? Well, this has been my pet project. Sometime in 2020. San Diego is a beautiful place. You know, they say it's always sunny in Philadelphia. That's a lie. I've been to Philadelphia, but San Diego is pretty close. When OpenPilot for the Xbox 360. Did I make a good motive noise? Oh, way better in the Bay Area, guys. All right, can we sell one more FCA harness? What's Arby? You guys are really a lot about Arby. Oh, should we make fun of startups briefly? Arby is the first company. Oh, wow, that's slow. Welcome to Radar's new era. Arby is disrupting radar technology to support drivers and autonomous vehicles. Zook says, let's just say I haven't seen the other 500 million of their round come through. Oh, it uses 4D imaging radar. Oh, I can trust it. Oh, that's good to know. That's good to know, man. You know, when I go on Bosch's website, they call it the radar you can't trust. That's not even my site, bro. I'm glad you like the lane change. Proprietary chipset technology. Is this a joke? Is this? I don't know if this is a troll or not. I don't know. Hopefully you guys like the new manager status line. I wrote this myself. It's green and it's red when the processes crash. Yeah, I typed out those ANSI codes. Yeah. What else? Let me just make sure I'm not. Oh, do we have any more orders? Or does someone else want to buy one? They're really beautiful. The FCA harness is a wonderful harness. It's like if Juicero made a radar. That sounds about right. How hard is it to add car simulation? It's pretty easy. The headless Eon stuff is not going to go anywhere. The problem with the headless Eon stuff is, first, it only works on one car. And second, you're limited by the features that are being outputted by the stock camera. The features are not very good. It's not taking a picture from the camera. You can't do that. You're just using, Bosch's crappy lane finding algorithm and then like making guesses based on that, which is really not the way to build one of these things. It's always good to see people experimenting, but I don't think that is very fruitful. I think what will be more fruitful, and what you can experiment with if you insist to use something that's not like the Eon mounted on the screen, is you could probably get OpenPilot working pretty well with a webcam. My long-term goal is not headless. OpenPilot is kind of an OS, yeah. We ship Eons, and we'll ship better Eons, and the new Eons will be slimmer and smaller and have more cameras, so on and so forth, and for the next Eon years. But no, headless is not a goal. Where would we show you the ads? Where would we show you the ads? That's the question. All right, 65 people. We got anything else? Thank you, Speed Drawing 101. Run OP on the car's compute? Not really. I mean, I was making fun of the car people for not putting any real computers in their car. If they have real computers, sure, maybe. NeoS running on an iPhone, that's going to take you a lot. Waffle Maker's still there. Will I ship bumper stickers? We're thinking about bumper stickers, like this car runs open source software, something like that. What do you guys think? What should the bumper stickers say? But no, we don't ship any bumper stickers right now. I think we include some stickers. I think we have some stickers. But, we're not in the swag business. We're in the high-quality hardware business. Harness is one of the highest quality things Kamiya's ever shipped. So make sure to buy your harness today. Can't show you that one because it has user info. I prefer OpenPilot disengagement instead of Tesla Autopilot. Yeah, gas disengagement makes so much sense. How long will the current Eon be around? Eons, man. No, you'll see. I mean, you'll see. All in 2020. All in 2020, things will happen. See, look, if we had new hardware right around the corner, would I have an Eon on my desk? No way, man. All right, so FCA people are slightly better than Subaru people. The truth has been determined. We're gonna go for what is Uno? I don't know anything about Uno. Yeah, the dash cam. The dash cam's gotten really good. If you guys have Comma Prime, try out the Comma Connect app. Has gotten quite good in the last release. Show us an Eon in a test car. Yeah, we can go. No, we're not going to do that. That's a long walk. OP Long end-to-end longitudinal control 2020. That's really gotten good. We debated in 07. The videos are quick. Yeah, right. I know the quality's not that great, but that's the trade-off. Those videos are small enough that they can keep up live on Comma Prime. So if you are a Comma Prime subscriber, those videos will show up in your phone almost instantly from your drive. It truly is a cloud dash cam. Okay, we'll let you in on one more thing. This isn't finalized yet. Right now, if you're a normal Comma user, you get 3 days of storage. Comma Prime gets 14 days of storage. We're thinking about increasing that to 1 year. Comma Prime is about to be really good. We put a lot of effort into it. We put those features in. Tell you about internal debates. Oh, like internal to Comma? There's no debate. I'm a dictator. No, it's not true. A lot of talking about fingerprinting 2.0. A lot of debates on how we're going to do that. What else? No, Comma Prime is not free. It's $24 a month, bro. We debated on how much Comma Prime should cost. Let me tell you something. Everybody else in the company, they want to make things cheap for you guys. And I'm like, no. We got to make it expensive. So whenever something's expensive, I'm the guy to blame. Are we hiring any developers? We are. We're hiring an OpenPilot engineer, somebody who's good, really infrastructure, testing, a lot of that stuff. If you're good with, we were talking today, if you know C++, you're on the right track. We're also maybe hiring an ML engineer, maybe, if you're very, very good. But OpenPilot engineer, we'll hire you tomorrow if you do great. Waxer, if you're looking for a job. C++ it's a language, yeah. How do we stop regressions in the models? Oh, we have all these complicated. We have lots of tests. Maybe someday we'll go live to the research team, and the research team. No, we don't charge money for OpenPod. Buy Prime. I don't feel good. Look, I'm not the kind of guy who's going to charge you money for a software that runs on your device. You bought and paid for Neon from us. I'm not going to charge you to use your device. I'm not one of those dicks, right? We do charge you, of course, to use Comma Prime. Comma Prime costs us money. We're an MVNO. We resell a certain large mobile carrier service to you guys, and we have to pay that mobile carrier money on the back end. So that's, Comma Prime costs us money. Comma Prime also, honestly, we don't even make money off Comma Prime because the Azure bill is so high. Yo, we got to pay for cloud now. Whoa. Wait, that was a page view. That wasn't a sale. Come on, FCA people, buy some harnesses. We got 2 more minutes. Alton Media, I didn't say that. I'm just saying I didn't say that. I'm not allowed to. Yeah. Clouds for users' data, like videos. Yeah. We got videos in the cloud. It's like Pied Piper, but only for dashcam videos. And we're thinking about increasing it to 1 year. No promises on that. There's still internal debate. See, people are like, everyone who works here is like, man, we want to give all the people great features. And I come along and I'm like, does that cost money? Is that going to cost money? Well, it sounds like it's going to cost money. No. It's got to go. We make money. We're almost profitable too. This Q4 is our highest profit quarter on record already. And if it's already, let me get you the total. I'll let you in on the total. Let's do quarter to date. Let me make sure there's no user information here. Yes, this is Comma's most profitable quarter to date. Why do I show you guys this stuff? I think I'm crazy. Yeah, man, $397,000. That is almost a profitable company. Our burn rate's about 180 a month. So we're 70-80% of the way to profitable. I'm very happy. We're up 43% from the last quarter, which was a new record quarter for Comma. We're really killing it. And Wait till you guys see what we have. We're gonna blow you away in 2020, right? If you think what we've done so far, if you thought this year was a good year, wait till you see the lineup for 2020. Things have been working. No, hockey stick growth's not real. Eons don't use the microphone. How many Eons are out there driving? Here, we can bring up that information. No, we're not at 5K monthly users yet. I'd like to get there. Let me just. It's an overview. I'll bring up weekly for the last 6 months. It takes a while to load. It's got to hit the MySQL database. No. Prime is all stored in Azure. There we go. Here's the weekly devices chart. So that's, ignore the last couple weeks aren't up to date. It takes a bit for things to actually like make their way into the system. But yeah. So we've reached a bit over 1,100 weekly active users. And you see our growth is nice and steady. You know, if you guys didn't read my Medium posts, you guys should. Medium.com/comai. We just kind of break down. What do you mean? Dude, like, Facebook is like MySQL. Facebook is backed by, well, at least when I worked there, it was backed by a big MySQL database. I don't know. Then you put Memcache in front of it, and there you go. The harness VOs, current Eon uses a phone you can't get anymore. What do you mean? There's, well, oh, you wanted me to, I got you. Yeah, no, if you guys didn't read this breaking down unit economics, this is our monthly device growth. See that we've really, that's just been in 2 years. And you can see there's actually a slight upward exponential to that too. So, you know, hockey sticks growth's not real, but exponential growth is. Yeah, this is, if you guys didn't read this, go read it. We're not even going to make fun of startups anymore. Comma only hires full time. We only hire on site. Yes. You think I'm dealing with managing a bunch of contractors? Come here because you want to add value. If you make a GM harness, we're thinking about it. Comma coin's not real. Never going to happen. We'll be doing custom hardware versus Eon versus a phone. Tell me what improvements there are to make. I think there's one big improvement, but I think that you'll actually find. I don't think we're going to stream AOC today. I think you'll actually find that improvement can be made very easily with a phone as well. Cool. Be consumer ready. Well, you know, we're at 0.7. We got 0.8. We got 0.9. And we got 1.0. We didn't do a stream for 0.7, but it is pretty cool. Driver monitoring at night. Yeah, that one's interesting too. I mean, night driver monitoring and no battery and permanent install. Well, you know, 2020, guys, 2020. You'll see. Uno, there's no Uno. Uno's not real. Who told you about Uno? Yo, you guys get Eons, man. Eons, that's where it is. We're gonna be at CES. Who told you that? Uno's in our GitHub. Oh, yeah, no, Uno is no. It's just it's for the Spanish market. Yeah, it's Eons for the Spanish market. Yeah, the comma Uno. Yeah, that's right. We gotta. You know, we're right next to. Rent in San Diego is, well, it's much better than San Francisco and New York. Let's just say, yeah, the comma Uno is the Eon for the market. We're right next to Mexico. You know, we're gonna get a lot of Tijuana sales. So the comma Uno. What does Tesla have that we don't? What Tesla feature do you like that we don't have right now? I can think of a big feature we have that Tesla doesn't have. It's making fun of Elon for it this morning. Yeah, that's right, Mexico. No quiero mucho dinero por comma uno. Some people on Hacker News felt that I'm dismissive of marketing. Yeah, why would I want to market? Marketing, you know, think of who clicks ads, right? Do you think smart people click ads? Or do you think dumb people click ads, right? And now you think marketing's a good idea. Oh, will Kama have a booth at CES? I didn't hear anything about that. I don't know. We can ask around. I don't know. Want to launch a new EN3 or 4 cameras. Why do you need more cameras? Explain to me what you're going to do with more cameras. Oh, Kama dose. Oh, BMW? No flex, right? Yeah, exactly. You have an ad blocker. See, even You Want to Sleep Alone has an ad blocker, right? What's the state of the industry? It's all total dog shit, man. But it's not even fun anymore, right? Like it used to be fun when we were punching up. When we were like this small startup struggling to survive, we're punching at the big startups. Like it was fun. But like now it's like it's not funny anymore, right? Like Zooks actually can't raise their money, right? Like it's just sad. Yo, how about this? You buy me a Benz truck and I'll work hard to port it, man. I'll try to do that port myself. I'll port it to the Benz truck. We'll get some meat on the Benz truck. All right. Do we sell any more FCA harnesses? We sold one. We sold one. I'll take it. You guys are one better than Subaru. Any more questions? I said what? How was Christmas in our office? I said to get a Christmas tree, but I don't think anyone actually did it. I was doing good. Looking forward to 2020, yeah. Ford lockout. Bro, email Ford. I don't know. I can't believe I bought that car. I lost like 10 grand on that car, too. They depreciate so fast. So disappointed. Really, Honda, and more importantly, Toyota. Toyota is really where it's at. Buy a Corolla. Is next year your year? Yo. No, actually, check it out. We launched a new. Oh, don't get me started on how much I lost on the CT6. We launched a new compatibility flow. It's really nice. And here we have compatible cars we recommend. Really, really get that Corolla. But these are all nice cars. Will Eon work with my, let's see, my Porsche 911 2019. Oh, no. Oh, that's too bad. Yeah, Corolla should be at the top. We should change that. I'm going to change that right now. Yeah, I know the website's super fast. I know. But some people are on dial-up. Can we switch the Corolla and Prius in recommended cars? Corolla is really should be number 1. All right, that should happen. RAV4 is very good. Yeah, TSS2 is better than all Hondas. The RAV4 is very good. But we do recommend the RAV4, right? Yeah, we do. Yeah, the TSS2 RAV4 is great. The Corolla is really the best car. You got so much torque on that thing. It's a great car. Pick up a Corolla, and while you're at it, buy an Eon and Toyota bundle right now. Buy it. Thursday. So let's just bring up a calendar. This is 2019, December. Let me just bring one of these up. So you can see, yeah, we support all Priuses. The 19th is our last day that we're doing fulfillment. So if you want to get your order in, no, Ford is over, you guys. Vivian's the only Ford we have here. Ford is over. No Ford. No, I don't know. If someone supports Ford, we'd upstream it. I think we already released the code that we wrote for it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the line. Look at how nice it's detecting that line. That's a solid model. We don't have driver monitoring on PC yet, though. Coming soon. EPS for a cord. Oh, no. We're not doing any firmware. No firmware hacks. No firmware hacks. If people externally do them, hey, that's on you. If done properly, we don't think they're dangerous. If OP malfunctions, how hard is it to overpower the car? So, what do you mean by that, right? OpenPilot, it can't put. You can combat the torque OpenPilot can put on the wheel. I used to say with a pinky, but in the Corolla, it might take these 2 fingers. But still, if you have a hand on the wheel, there is no way OpenPilot can overpower you. If you have a hand like gripping the wheel, you'll see a maximum amount of torque it can put. It's so much less than you can. So if you're worried about that, you can check. We have the safety code in Panda, but it's not even our safety code. That's really just using the safety code of the car. We're using the same interface that the car cameras are using. Well, does it need to be these 2 fingers? Well, I like, these 2 fingers are nice for, pushing back on things. You could use these 2, but it'd be kind of like awkward, What were we talking about before that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we released also, if you check our Medium, we did a nice tour through OpenPilot. This is pretty good. Disengagements are going down. I don't really have clean data to share. It's a hard thing to measure. No, we're not doing startup preview. Again, honestly, guys, I just feel bad for people in this space. I feel bad. It's like LeBron going to a high school and dunking on the high school team. That's what it's like. No. It's not even that. It's like the Jacksonville Jaguars, man. It's like when Bill Belichick beats the Jacksonville Jaguars, right? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, no, it's getting a lot better. What's going on? Please explain. We're launching the FCA harness. This guy. Plug it into your FCA. Yeah, you know what's sad? I'll show you something sad. Everyone at Comma was really happy about that AEB analysis post. We all thought it was cool. And then, here's the truth. So we come out with the AEB, we get 247 claps. I write a poorly thought out post shit-talking other companies, and we get 2.1 thousand claps, right? So, this is probably one of the best things, this is a really unique thing that only Comma can do. We analyzed millions of miles and we looked for all AEB events. Definitely worth reading. 247 claps, though. And that's the problem. You got to give the people what they want. Thank you. I'm glad you appreciate it. We're still waiting at this traffic light. We got to engage OpenPilot. Let's engage. I want to refactor. So you can see this is just UI. This is like UI.c. It's the same one that runs on the computer. I want to refactor the background to be here. We'll get Dov Altman. I'm glad you read it. I want to add all the setting stuff to here. We'll take all that out of Android. That should give us some more CPU performance. Launching message queue. That's going to get us some more CPU performance. There's so much performance to still be added to the Eon. There's so much performance we can squeeze out of that thing. I'm on Linux, bro. Linux. All right, 45 minutes. All right. 90 more seconds. We sold 1 FCA harness. That's 1 more than we sold Subaru harnesses. I trust that they're going to trickle in slowly over time. 1 year storage, yeah, it's order of magnitude. I think the 1 year is going to happen. Performance equals more steering. If you want more steering, just buy a Toyota Corolla. It has all the steering you ever wanted. Audi is the same as VW for some Audis. The ones that use FlexRay is not going to happen. There are people on Discord hacking away at FlexRay. Maybe they'll make some progress. But it seems really complex. We have a lot. We have internal data analysis on driver monitoring. Maybe we'll do one of those publicly. We'll put it together. Performance equals more headroom on the Eon. We got more headroom on the Eon. Those new models that I showed you guys, they're huge models. 4x bigger than the current models. And that doesn't even make the box bigger yet. We're going to make the box bigger as well. Well, not 4x. So it goes from a ResNet 18 to a ResNet 50. So, you know, real deep learning models. ResNet 50s are what OpenAI used for their Rubik's Cube. Can you use the Eon on a Tesla? Yes, you can. Come ask in Discord on the Tesla channel. Cool, guys. Thank you all for joining today. I'm glad to have you all here. This has been Calm AI. This is probably going to be our last live stream for 2019. No Christmas gift. We're going to really start 2020 off with a bang. And I think it's going to be good. See you in 2020.